them all up. Of course, the weather is nice. I'm warm right now, but it rained. Oh my gosh, the rain. Rain. It's rained today. It's supposed to rain again tomorrow.
You know, that's huge by comparison to what I thought it was in my mind.
Oh my gosh, that nobody will steal this stuff because
yeah,
I can't even lift one end of that couch.
Right. You know, I watched you build it, but in my mind it was a lot smaller.
You wouldn't tell.
Right.
Or Dalton can sit on it.
Yeah.
On this side.
Yeah.
Too comfortably there.
That's so cool.
I still want another.
She wants me to do a table on each side.
I want to take
Yeah.
it here.
Well, yeah. Oh
Yeah, I
yeah.
want to put a beer or a glass of wine.
Look at that. Wow. That's awesome.
And then I still want.
That's a nice height for the table. It's perfect.
Yeah, and I want a Chase lounge for here because he's got a table that's in the podcast room where we put the TV out here to watch football.
Yeah.
And he puts it up here, so I kind of.
I may do something different. I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah, I want a chair here because I like to get out in the sun.
Yeah.
And be able to lay down. So I thought about a Chase lounge here.
You want to go out in the yard, buddy? You're looking out that way.
I want to paint the.
They got a little English pit bull on it.
Yeah, I got a little dog over there.
Oh.
Little tiny one.
Yeah. I would like to paint this stuff.
Fence wasn't there when we were building it.
No, they fence. They just put up.
Something y'all said?
We've got a boat.
For their dog, probably.
They have a dog and they've got a boat in that side yard right
Cool.
They wanted to keep the boat so
Yeah.
the homeowners wouldn't be fussy.
Yeah.
And they wanted to be able to let their little doggy out so he can run around.
The electrical stuff looks good.
Yeah.
The size of these things.
Yeah.
Yeah, it ain't going nowhere. It is heavy. It took Josh and Jared both to get that up here.
Charlie, want to go walk in the grass a little bit? You might want to do doggy things. Things that doggies like to do in the grass. Ah.
It's a job. Yeah.